Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rin. Today I'm gonna share what's in my PR. These are the stuffs that have come to me from the end of August till the starting of November. बहुत सारे और भी products थे जो दिखाने लायक है नहीं, that's why I'm not showing. So let's quickly start with today's video. First, I was sent these two products from Vim India, which is absolutely something that does not go with my profile. And I really didn't want to do this collaboration, but they मतलब पीछे ही पड़ गए थे तो मुझे करना ही पड़ा, which are these Vim के products. इनका रील ऑलरेडी अप है, आप चाहो तो चेकआउट कर सकते हो मेरे इंस्टा पे. So these are Vim Ultra Pro Floor Cleaners. I got them in two variants. These are really nice. I've actually used them. दिवाली के टाइम जब मैं रंगोली वगैरह की थी, it left a little bit of stain in my marble floor, and these really helped in removing them. If you are looking for something which does a good job in cleaning floors and stains and keeping it hygienic and bacteria free, you can check these out. Now let's move on to the actual products. Next, I will send some protein bars from Britannia. Britannia protein bars. I will send 5. I've already consumed 2, and these are really amazing. These have no added sugar, they have high fiber, and if you are really low on energy, just have any one of these and you will have a quick boost of energy. If you have a habit of having chocolates, I would urge you guys to replace your chocolates with this one. It's really good for your health as well. Dot & Key sent me their new launch, which is the Vitamin C Super Bright Moisturizer, and इसके साथ साथ they had sent me a sunscreen as well. कि मैंने इसको ख़त्म कर लिया है, so you can understand how much I've enjoyed using this product. And sunscreen भी मेरे पास अभी है नहीं because I've finished it and I've just thrown it away. This is the second PR I received from Dot & Key. इसके पहले भी जो वो लोग भेजे थे, that was also really nice. In general, Dot & Key के products काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. I'm looking forward to more PR and collabs from them. Next, I was sent these Garnier Super UV Invisible Serum Sunscreen. They have gone viral and इन्होंने ना मुझे 2 send कर दिया है साथ में. I've used them. These are pretty good. Indian humid weather, these perform really well and I really like the packaging as well. I think Garnier से ये मेरा 3rd या 4th PR होगा and till now उनके भी products मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. Next, I got a beautiful necklace from Jiva. So Jiva is up with their wedding season collection, I guess, and they sent me this one. I've worn this a few times and these are absolutely beautiful. I love wearing these sort of dainty necklaces and neck pieces. It just makes me look so chic and it goes with my personal style. This one is my second PR from Jiva. Iske pehle bhi they had sent me one necklace only and that was really good as well. It did last me for a year or 2 and let's see how long this lasts then. Next, I got a bunch of products from Foxtail and I had 2 more products apart from these. वो ख़त्म हो गए हैं, उनको मैंने फेंक दिया है. So सबसे पहले I got this one which is viral for all the right reasons. It is the Foxtail Skin Radiance purple colored का mask, which is very good for tanning and cleaning your pores and blackheads. Overall, just brightening your face. That's a very good one. Next, I got this Golden Hour Glow sunscreen, which is infused with vitamin C and niacinamides. Now, honestly, I have not used this one. I don't know कि ये कैसा है. I'm yet to try. Next, I got this the Diva Overglow mask. इसको मैंने 1-2 बार यूज़ किया है रात में, but I still don't have used it enough to form an opinion. I'm looking forward to this one as well. And then I have the Milky Way Spot Reduction Drops. I've again not used this, so I don't know. And they had made a very nice PR का डब्बा and everything. वो सब मैंने फेंक दिया है, पर ये इसके साथ ये भी आया था. It has this beautiful activity card, and then you also have a skincare planner. They have the whole new range mentioned over here, and here they have talked a little bit about their planner, their journey. Yeah, very nice PR from Foxtail. And the last set of PR I received for today's video will be the ones from Hilary Rhoda. So I got their V Face Highlight प्लस कॉन्टोर स्टिक. एक साइड में इसका कंसीलर है, हाइलाइटर, एंड एक साइड में इसका कॉन्टोर है. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट 1 स्ट्रोक आई पेंसिल, दीज वंस. एक मुझे गोल्डन में रिसीव हुआ एंड एक मुझे सिल्वर में रिसीव हुआ. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट अ पेन आईलाइनर फ्रॉम देम in this beautiful green color, you can see. And then I have these two lipsticks from them, the Power of Matte Liquid Lipsticks in two beautiful shades. I'm wearing this one right now. And मेरा जो ये full face of makeup है ना, ये मैंने इसी से किया है. This golden eyeshadow, the green eyeliner, the lip, the base, everything I've used these. So that was all the PR that I had received from the end of August to the starting of November. इसके अलावा भी I had a few here and there products like मधुर का sugar, then इमामी का oil, but वो सब मुझे दिखाना सही नहीं लगा because it just does not go up with my profile. This brings me to the end of today's video. Do let me know if you want to watch these kind of PR hauls, then I would make more. Like I would make कि monthly मुझे क्या PR मिलता है वो मैं उसका वीडियो मैं शॉर्ट्स में डाल सकती हूँ. एंड अगर इसमें से किसी का भी आपको इन डेप्थ रिव्यू चाहिए, डू लेट मी नो. I'd love to do that as well. And thank you so much for watching today. Do subscribe to my channel if you have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys super soon with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.